Good morning. This is the video for the week of February 22nd. So we are watching this first, our important information. Going to start with our agenda and then we'll hit our objectives on the next slide. So the first thing that we want to do is our weekly review. We do want to watch this video right here on the greatest common factor, and then we want to complete this assignment. Notice that it is due next Monday, which is March 1st, and it is worth 50 points. Now, this is a review that will help us get ready for what we're going to do with polynomials. So this video right here is one review video that I have found that goes through and talks about the ladder method to be able to find the greatest common factor. This is just one way of finding the greatest common factor. So if you are familiar with a different method, or if you are just at the point that you can look at two numbers and tell me the greatest common factor, that is fine, because this is really just all review getting us prepared for this week. Okay, so the goal is that you can complete these problems and that you know how to do those well. It doesn't matter to me that if you use this ladder method or you use a different type of method. Keep in mind that those are due by 9 a.m. on Monday, March 1st. Now let's look at how we're going to be using this week. You will have three different videos here that are broken down by section. So notice how it is page 38, the first part, page 38, the second part, and then page 39. And they're all roughly about 10 minutes or so. So you can do those in chunks and stop and start as needed. Okay, but our objective is to be able to factor a polynomial using the greatest common factor. So we're going to look at that basic skill of a greatest common factor and now apply it into our polynomials. Okay, there are two different formative assessments right here. Once again, both of those due March 1st at 9 a.m. That's next Monday. Remember that those are practice. Take them as many times as you want, okay? In fact, if you're having a problem with them, write down the problem or have it available on your screen and attend one of our Zoom sessions. Zoom sessions are at noon, and that's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. After you feel comfortable with this material, then we have our summative assessment. Remember, this is like our test. There's only one attempt for it. No time limit, but you do just are just allowed to take it just one time, and that is due 9 a.m. on March the 1st also. Okay, I do need to let you know that we are starting into this factoring unit. The greatest common factor is our first type of factoring, and this will be something that we will do in one aspect or another the rest of the year. So this factoring is going to kind of just build on top of each other. So if you are not understanding, if you are missing problems on the formative assessment and you don't know why, please attend one of these Zoom sessions or reach out to me in Canvas and let me know so that I can help you. All right, have a good day, and I'll talk to you later.